Hey guys, super quick recap from this morning. It is non-farm payroll week. That's pretty important to note because price is most likely not going to be very clean this week. Last night we gapped open about 100 handles. Ended up going up to about 150 or so handles before trading lower. Higher time frame remains buy side, so higher for longer. I wanted to see us take out the London lows, create a first presented fair value gap, and then use a PD array above there to enter. We did take out the London lows, traded back to Friday's high, and then started to trade a little bit higher. And this looked not super clean, but relatively clean. So I took an entry once we closed above the first presented fair value gap, but you can see we immediately came right back down. And that was taken at a lower time frame. So I did take another entry because the first one I thought was an order block. Second one looked like a propulsion block, and neither one of those held. So I ended up sitting after that and realizing that we were actually getting non farm payroll delivery for the first time in a couple months. The past couple months, we've seen heavily manipulated price, so it wasn't quite looking like a non farm payroll lack of follow through that we usually get. So I wasn't expecting that. So I got stopped out twice there, and then you can see the rest of the day was just not very clean at all. And this is just the 1 minute. Lower time frames are going to look even worse. So I did end up on three accounts down about 270 for the day. And that is just a factor, or that's just due to the non farm payroll delivery factor. I followed my plan to a T, and sometimes price action just isn't going to give you what you expect, but you still come into the day expecting price to behave normally. And once it doesn't, you listen to that. And that's what I did. So I sat for the rest of the day. Hopefully, the rest of the week is a little bit cleaner. We have news every single day outside of Monday. So we'll see. As always, good luck, good trading, be safe.